All right. Hello. So, here in this video, we are going to learn how to send a proper email. So you're going to use your school account, which is through Microsoft 360. You can access this through an app on your phone or on the desktop. First, I'm going to show you on the desktop, and then I will have another set that will show you how to access it and send a proper email using the app. So on the desktop, after you've logged in, so you'll type in your email and then your password. If you don't have your password set up, you will have to contact someone else to reset that. So when I log in, my screen kind of looks like this. All right, I've got all my different icons here that I can use. I can use Word to create documents, Excels, and PowerPoints. But Outlook is where our email is. So I'm going to click on Outlook. So it brings me to my inbox. Here on the side is all my unread messages. All right, and then here are all your other folders, drafts, inboxes, any saved emails that you want to hold on to. If you ever need to search anything, you can just type in someone's name here. I'll put Alan. And you can find all the emails that you all have sent together. And so that's a nice search. So if you're looking for something from me, you can type in my last name and you'll be able to see those directly. All right, now to create a message to send me or someone else an email, you're gonna click New Message. And then the box here is going to show up on the right side. So when composing an email, you want to make sure you kind of understand the basics of the email components. So at the top, we have a send and attach button and a discard. So if you're completely done with your email, you're going to send it. If you want to add an attachment, such as a picture, video, or some type of document or file, then you're going to click attachment. To discard means to kind of erase it, delete it, or get rid of it, okay? Down here, if you're not finished with an email, you can always do send later, so you can set a time to send it. Here on the right, if you hit the three little button dots here, you can actually save as draft. So you can save it for later. You don't have to set a time where it will automatically send it like it will if you do send later, but you can save it as a draft and it will save it in your draft box on the left and you can access it again later. Now, the two is who you are actually sending this email to. So if you are sending it to me, you would type in my email and it should pop up, okay? So if you're sending it to multiple people, you can add other contacts as well, okay? CCing an email means that a second person will just get the email and be able to contribute thoughts or respond back. This is typically used in cases where maybe you're having like a business conversation with somebody, but you kind of want to keep the emails in track, or you want to make someone aware of the email conversations that you're having. You would include a CC person. Or, you could always just include them as a contact in the to location. Add a subject. This is super, super important. A lot of you, not all of you, but a lot of you, when you're on your phone app, you will actually write the subject of your message, like your entire message, in this subject line. And it becomes very long, and if it's too long, it actually crops it out, and then we cannot even see the rest of the message. But this is extremely important, especially from a business or professional aspect and manner. So you want to be able to portray yourself as professional, and if you're writing your whole body of your message and your subject, it's going to come off as if you maybe don't understand how to properly send an email correctly. So this is very important. So the subject is basically just a header of what the body of your email will be about. So if we're going to send Miss Chivers, your teacher, an email, and we just want to test it out because we want to make sure that, hey, I'm going to send you an email, make sure you get it, check your junk box if you don't. So I'm going to put testing email because that's what we're doing, okay? Now in the body, you always want to address your emails as either hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And then you may also add Miss Chivers or Mr. Marshall or Mr. Allen, Mrs. Rogers. You want to address them, okay? So we can say, hello, Miss Chivers. And then you can say, this is so-and-so, your name, okay? I am sending you an email to make sure that it goes through and that you have my correct email. Done. Then you can put at the end, you want to end the email, you can do thank you, or sincerely, or have a wonderful day, thank you for your time, I appreciate your efforts in getting back to me, however feels appropriate for you to kind of close out the email, okay? Oh, let's say I want to add something, okay? So I can go to my attach, and it already has some suggested attachments which are in your files from your previous tab that kind of have connected to your Microsoft account. So any documents or PowerPoints that you have, you can look them up here, okay? Browsing your computer means whatever you have on your computer, you can send me. So if you save a file to your desktop or to your computer, this is where you would find that, okay? Now, browsing the cloud location means that it is saved within your Microsoft account, okay? So if you created it through your Microsoft account, then it's most likely going to be on your cloud. If you created it on a computer, desktop, or some other application where it's saved on your desktop, or you saved it in like a download file, then it's most likely gonna be on browse this computer, okay? So if I want to take something from my cloud, I'm going to hit the browse cloud, okay? And then I can hit files. And then I can do, click critical thinking file, and I can do the craftsmanship document, and I'm going to add it as an attach as a copy. Okay, attaching as a copy means I can't edit it or touch it. I can just view it, okay? And then hit send, and you're done. And then boom, I have an email from myself with the appropriate attachments, okay? you.